Hello and welcome to this new video on how to create a CV using ChatGPT. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and type ChatGPT. Now press enter in the keyboard. They will show you the search results. Now you just have to click on the first search result, that is ChatGPT. Just click on it. Now the ChatGPT interface will be opened right in front of you, and in the bottom of the interface there is a message box where you can write your questions. So in order to know or create CV using ChatGPT, you just need to type how to create CV, and you can also specify the job for which you are creating CV by just typing. For a sales, I will just type it as randomly, but if you have different job, you can just type that and press enter in the keyboard. Now ChatGPT will start to give you the response. So these are all the responses that is provided to you by ChatGPT, and when the response have been given completely, then you just have to look into it and you just need to integrate all the given details in your CV, and after that you will be able to create a very nice and professional CV by using ChatGPT. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.